Hey, welcome to my live stream, folks. Here's what I wore for today's outing. The weather today is perfect for going out. What do you think? What's playing in your headphones? Would you mind sharing? Oh, he's listening to a song I like too. This microphone is really amazing. Friends, boxing is a great test for willpower.
Accelerating your Pinterest. Hit here. 1, 2, 1, 2.
How can we resist a barbecue feast after exercising? I think my earrings today go well with this dress. Oh, chatting with you all is so much fun. Cheers!
幽兰子摄影配件。
Wow, looks so great. How much for it?
Oh, just a steak price.
今天的香港之旅，现在开启降噪模式。好了，现在声音已经清晰了。我们下一站是中华，我们下一站见。
幽兰子摄影配件。